In this video we are covering how to create model buildings from a kit called material kit that I found online. We first press A to select every object in the scene and delete using X. Then we press N to find our toolbar. Then select on building tools. We create a floor plan. Zoom in a little. Then you move to edit mode to be able to manipulate the floors and roof. We can then add a basic floor to it. Then on this drop down we can we can add a number of floors. We can also manipulate the height. The slab thickness can be reduced as well. Then we can also add the pillars, the columns. Then to add the roof, we basically select go to face select. We select that face and we add a roof. Then based on this drop down, you can select the type of roof that you want. Flat roof looks more appealing. Then we select this face to add the 3 to have the front view on our numpad. We add our door. Then on this face we add a couple of windows. Same thing applies here. That's it for the most part.